Hi, it's Emma from Enchanted Soul. Welcome to your guided meditation to attract money. Begin your meditation today by finding a comfortable position. Gently closing your eyes and simply begin to witness your breath. Just allow peace to come into your body and into your mind. Take in a deep breath, long exhale out. Empty your lungs entirely. Letting go of all the tension in your body. Now, hear yourself saying these positive suggestions, accepting any of them that feel good to you. Abundance flows to me. I deserve to be financially independent. I love creating wealth and success for myself. My destiny is to be wealthy. Money comes to me in expected and also unexpected ways. I am worthy of making more money. I welcome an unlimited source of income and wealth in my life. Money and spirituality can coexist in harmony. I release all negative energy and conceptions about money. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I use my financial abundance to better my life and the lives of others. Wealth consistently flows into my life. I love and enjoy being financially free. Money helps me to help others. I support and uplift others with my abundance, and it makes me even more abundant. Large sums of money keep appearing to me and for me. I am so worthy and deserving of this abundance. Everything that I do is successful and gives me energy. When I spend money, I receive more money. I associate money and abundance with the feeling of gratitude and joy. Every amount I spend, I make 3 times back. Wealth and money flow to me in expected and unexpected ways. Money supports me. Money is my friend. My actions create constant prosperity. I am able to handle large sums of money. I am at peace with having a lot of money. I can handle massive success with ease and grace. Life is full of financial abundance. I embody financial abundance. Money flows effortlessly into my life. I am open and willing to allow financial abundance to come into my life. Financial abundance flows to me from multiple sources. May I be blessed with financial abundance. Financial abundance is here, and I tune myself to it. Financial abundance is my birthright. I love money and money loves me. I am grateful for the money I receive. I am grateful for money, and money is grateful to be in my hands because I use it to better the world around me. I am a money magnet. I always have enough money to pay all my bills. Money comes to me every day in every way. Now slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body and feel the strength you have created within. Feel this strength fully as you come back into your conscious mind and body. Gently open your eyes. Feel the goodness of the meditation for a few moments. I thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Namaste.